Hello guys, this is chapter 11-5. So this is the work. I'm going to show you guys how to do the work. Hopefully this video comes out right. This is like the 5th time I do this video. I get like a phone call and then the video gets stopped and it's like so annoying. Okay, but let's see. Hopefully no one knows calls, no one sends an email. Let's hope. Okay. Now, chapter 11-5, the work from yesterday, guys. I was telling you guys to find the theorem 11.1. So theorem 11.1, and it's talking about regular polygons, how to find or the proportions between the area of two polygons and their sides. Okay, remember a regular polygon is just a polygon that has that all sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent as well. A regular polygon could be any shape. It could be a triangle, it could be a polygon, it could be a rectangle, pentagon, right? But just to keep it simple, and because my art skills aren't that great, I'm going to use a triangle. Okay, so let's have two triangles here. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to explain what the theorem is talking about. So let's say we have two triangles. Well, make it bigger. Okay, we have two triangles. Let's name this A, B, C. And triangle D, E, F. Okay, and since this is a regular polygon, that means all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. The same thing with the blue one. All the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. Now, what this theorem was talking about yesterday, it was saying that if you have the area of both triangles with one of the sides, then they are proportional to each other. Okay. So what it means is that you're going to have the area of the red triangle, so the area of the red triangle divided by the area of the blue triangle. Okay, so the area of the red triangle divided by the area of the blue triangle is proportional to the sides squared. Okay, so the area of the red triangle divided by the area of the blue triangle is equal to one of the sides of the red triangle, so side DF, over one of the sides of the blue triangle, which is AB. I got scared. I thought my phone was going to stop recording. Okay. So that is what the theorem was saying. Okay, if we look at the worksheets that I uploaded, there's 4 problems. I'm gonna go over 2, and you guys are responsible for the other 2. Okay, so this is what the theorem was talking about. The area of the red triangle divided by the area of the blue triangle is equal to the side of the one of the sides of the red triangle over one of the sides of the blue triangle squared. Okay. Okay, so number 1, it's talking about areas of a triangle. So triangle, 2 small triangles. Let me draw a small triangle here. And we have that the area of this blue triangle is 20 meters, and one of the sides here is 11 meters. Then we have a bigger triangle. It says that it only gives one of the sides and tells that one of the sides is 44 meters. Okay, now we are going to use the formula that I told you guys. And let's do it right here. So we have the area of the blue triangle over the area of the red triangle. Okay, is equal to one of the sides of the blue triangle. So this side right here, the blue triangle, which is 11, over one of the sides of this red triangle, which is one of the sides, which is 44. Okay, now they do give us the area of the blue triangle. How much is it? It's 20. So let's replace this with 20, since that is given. Okay, and the area of the red triangle, well, we don't know that. That's what we're trying to figure out. So we're going to leave this as in variable. We're going to call it variable x. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve this part here. We're going to simplify it out. So we have 11 squared. Sorry, 11 over 44 squared. Now that squared just means that it's being multiplied by itself. So 11 over 44 times 11 over 44. So we're going to multiply that out. This here is equal to that. So now 11 times 11. Let's get that. 11 times 11. Now you guys are going to need a calculator, just a simple calculator, because you are going to be multiplying. So just a heads up. Okay, 11 times 11 is 121. 44 times 44. 44 times 44. That's 1936. 1936. Okay. So 11 over 44 squared gives you that. So I'm going to replace that in here. So we have 121 over 1936. Now we've solved proportions before, so this should be just a reminder. The way we do this is we cross multiply. So let's go ahead and cross multiply here. Multiply this way. So, and then this way. 121 times x is equal to 121x. 20 times 1936. 1936 times 20. Small number. 38,720. And then all you have to do is just divide by that 121. So divide both sides by 121. 121 divided by 121 gives you 1, right? So we're left with x equals, let's see what 38,720 divided by 121 is. Divided by 1. Divided by 121. This is 320. Okay, so that means that the area of this red triangle is going to be 320. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, just remember you guys remember to use a formula. Okay, and the formula was the area of the blue triangle over the area of the red triangle is equal to one of the sides of the blue triangle. So side over one of the sides of the red triangle. Okay, easy peasy. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3, we're going to use the same formula, but instead of looking for the area, we're looking for one of the sides. And here we have, I'm going to try my best to draw, what is that, a pentagon? Yes, that's a pentagon. So let's do in blue. Here we go. 1 side, 2 side, 3, 4, 5. Not bad, not bad. And here we have that the area is 4,590 for number 3, and that one of the side measures 21. And then for the smaller pentagon, 1, 2, 3, they give that the area is 510, and we're looking for one of the sides, so we're looking for this side right there. And it's going to be the same thing, same formula. So the area of the blue one, is going to be 4,590 over the area of the red one. So over the area of the red one, which is 510, is equal to one of the sides of the blue one, which is 21, over side of the red one. Since we don't know, we're going to label it as X. Sorry. So now we're going to solve, again, we're going to start by solving this one here. So 21 over x squared, this here is going to be the same thing as 21 over x times 21 over x. Okay. Now from here we have 21 times 21. 21 times 21. That's 441. Over x times x is x squared. Okay. Something else you guys could have done, we could have also simplified this out, take the square root of both of them, and then solve for x, right? But I'm gonna do it this way. But there are different ways of solving it. So now 21 over x equals this, so I'm gonna write that instead. 441 over x squared and then do the same thing, you cross multiply. So we have 441 times 510. So 441 times 510 that gives us 2249 10 equal, and then we multiply this here. Okay, so then we're left with 4590 times x squared. Whew. Yeah, guys, I got another call, but I'm just gonna put these two videos together. Who cares? Okay, we stopped here. We cross multiplied 541 times 510 and 4 for the blue. So we cross multiplied both of these, and this is what we got. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna divide by 4590. Both sides. So 2249 10 divided by 4590. And that gives us 49. So all this here gives us 49 once you divide it out. It's a much easier number. 4590 divided by 4590 gives us 1. So we're left with x squared. 49 equals x squared. Well, what times what gives you 49? Well, 7. X equals 7. Okay, or you could take the square root of both of them. This cancels. The square root of 49 is 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. So x equals 7. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna try see if I could mash up both of these videos together. I'm not sure if you can do that on iPhone or not, but I'll try my best. And if not, just watch these two videos, guys. Make sure you guys complete all the 4 questions, upload them to Google Classrooms, and that's pretty much it, guys.